In this session, let us learn about multinomial distribution. Multinomial distribution. Multinomial distribution is a generalization of binomial distribution. It describes outcomes of multinomial scenarios, unlike binomial where scenarios must be only one of two. Example, blood type of a population, dice roll, outcome. It has three parameters: n, number of possible outcomes, example 6 for dice roll; p-vals, list of probabilities of outcome, example 1 by 6, 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 1 by 6 for dice roll; size, the shape of the returned array. See example, draw out of sample of dice roll. See, if we use this code and execute, the result returns this 1 1 1 1 2 0. Multinomial samples will not produce a single value, they will produce one value for each p-val. As their generalization of binomial distribution, their visual representation and similarly of normal distribution is same as that of multiple binomial distributions. Okay friends, this is the end of part 21, multinomial distributions. In next video, let us learn about another topic, exponential distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.